So here we have the question. We have to choose the correct length versus square of time period graph for a simple pendulum. Okay. So this is pretty easy question. The time period for a simple pendulum is given by 2 pi square root of length of the pendulum upon acceleration due to gravity g, right? So I have to plot L on the x-axis and t square on the y-axis. Okay, so let's find out t square here. This is 4 pi square L upon g, right? Now this L I have to take on the x-axis and this t square on the y-axis. So I'll say L is equal to h and t square is y. Okay, so this thing transforms into y is equal to 4 pi square g, 4 pi square upon g times x, right? So this is the relationship between x and y, and you can see this is of this form. Y is equal to, this is a constant thing, right? Y is equal to mx. So this is the straight line passing through the origin with slope 4 pi square upon g, right? So this is the option. Option number 3, that is the line passing through the origin, a straight line passing through the origin, right? Y is equal to mx form. So this here becomes the answer. Okay, thank you.